morning, guys. I am on my way to Dr. John this morning, Ultimate Cellular Reset, to do some more treatments. I want more food. So this past week, I picked up my bags and drove to sunny Sarasota, Florida to visit my new friend, Dr. John Lieurance, who is a doctor of chiropractic naturopathic medicine. I am on my way to meet Dr. John, the mad scientist that I love, at his clinic, because health is really important, and more people are waking up to this idea of like, what really is health? What does it mean to be healthy? And Dr. John has a really interesting story. He himself got sick with Lyme disease many years back, which set him off on this natural health journey where he started to discover alternative healing modalities and all sorts of natural remedies and medicines to ultimately heal the body from the core inside out. I have been having some issues with my energy, some adrenal fatigue-like symptoms, and just a couple things going on. So I wanted to check in with Dr. John and see what he had going on at his clinic. So the first day, he put me on the Ozone IV, which was very relaxing. I actually fell asleep a little bit. I think I was a little tired from the trip in. What is up, y'all? I am here getting this IV treatment, the Ozone IV, and actually I have it under my arm here. It's in there. I'm just cold. And that was just day one. So day two was a little more challenging. Another IV treatment, but this one was called NAD and was actually kind of painful.
We're gonna run something called NAD. It's kind of the latest, greatest anti-aging compound.
Oh, I need that.
It's kind of a cousin to niacin. Well, niacin can be helpful for detox, and probably NAD more so. Mm-hmm. But they both work on the energy in the cells, something called mitochondria.
Yeah. So I finally got through the pain of that IV, and just like he said, once it was out of me, I felt completely fine. But I won't lie, during the time the IV was in me, it felt like I was having a bad hangover.
What do you feel?
I feel fine.
We load up with NAD. This is phase one because this is providing a lot of cellular energy.
So Dr. John got done with all of his patients early this day and decided to take us out on his boat.
Yo, what's up?
I'm here at, where are we actually?
Sand Dollar Island.
Sand Dollar Island. It has a name. Wow. So it's like a little island. Found it on the beach like this. Thought it was 2 shells. And I picked it up. It's purple. Now, day 3, we are back in the clinic. Back at the clinic, just waiting for Dr. John. I'm gonna do more IV treatments today. Thank God the one from yesterday's over because it was the NAD and it was painful. So I was really happy that he just gave me Ozone again. And he also gave me a vitamin C IV, which was really interesting looking. It was actually kind of a pink color.
Ozone is basically 3 oxygen molecules that are fused together temporarily, so it's a fragile molecule, happens in our upper atmosphere, and then we can make it with these machines. These machines do something called 10-pass hyperbaric ozone. So ozone is a stressor to your antioxidant system. So when you have that huge amount of oxidation, your body says, where's that coming from? So it starts to go in and do a bunch of house cleaning.
And then day 4, my last day before I left Sarasota, I was gifted with a little surprise at the clinic and actually got to see Dr. Dan, another chiropractor who works here. I'm back again, still at the clinic. And today I worked with Dr. Dan, the chiropractor. Here's his table. I haven't been to a chiropractor in years, not since I was like 18, and even then the chiropractor I saw was like complete
what we're doing with you is we're bringing balance and alignment, not just to your bones, not just to your joints, but also your nervous system, as well as the fascia and the tissues. So we're using a combination of tools and energy to accomplish this. So I use my hands to adjust you a little bit.
Yeah, and that was incredible.
I used laser. That balances nerves and muscles.
Okay.
And then we also use this. This is called tissue regenerative therapy. It has like a little lightning bolt that we use to stimulate the body. All these modalities are designed to help restore and balance your body and your nervous system.
This is why people in Wisconsin drink. This is why they drink. I get it. Oh my God. And there's so many other amazing technologies at his clinic that I'm learning to love, like the cryotherapy, which is actually really, really cold, but when you get used to it, it is the most amazing release afterward. You feel so calm. There's also red light therapy, which was super relaxing, and that rejuvenates the mitochondria in your cells, if I remember correctly. And there's also what's called a hypobaric chamber or chamber of some sorts. It has a lot of pressure in it, so that was cool. And then today, I got adjusted.
How was that?
Amazing. So for those who want to learn more, where can they find out about you and all of this? Your website?
So we have an educational website called ultimatecellularreset.com. And then we have a lot of the products that we use here through mitozen.com. And then Advanced Rejuvenation is our clinic. So we do consultations. You want to, look at stresses in your life as positive things, right? So we talked about hormesis before, and a lot of the treatments that we do here revolve around stress. So don't run from stress. Stress is your friend. Make it your friend.
And also, we have a coupon for you for the Mitozen. So it's in the link below. Just click the link below. All the info you need is down there with the coupon. And of course, follow Dr. John on LinkedIn. Yes, Dr. John makes such a good point about stress that not all stress is bad for you. As an example, exercise is a stress, but if it's done correctly, it makes your body stronger, and many of the treatments that they offer at the clinic work on this exact principle. So kudos to you, Dr. John, for taking health into your own hands, creating this clinic, and doing everything you can to educate others on how they can heal from the root, from the inside out. And that's what this is all about. That's what this time in history is teaching us. So thank you so much, Dr. John. It was a pleasure seeing you. And as always, I will be back.